Hi.
Hey, what's going on?
Are you ready?
Yeah, pumped.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do you think you would get better in a large or...
Let's do this.
Yeah. I think you're a little bit bigger than I am.
It's the gray black diamond one.
All right.
All right, we ready?
Almost.
Excited? Do you love this?
Do I love this? Of course I love it.
How could you not
What's
love
not
it?
to love, right?
Exactly.
We're 25 miles north of New York City, and we have this as our background. This is, it's a playground. We're really lucky with what we have.
So here we are at the shoot for NyackBoat.com. How are you?
Good,
All
good.
right.
We're excited.
Woo!
This is going to be a fun
It's going to be a fun
Long
day.
but fun day.
All right, and wait till you see what we have in store. Let me tell you, we're going to have some fliteboarding, which is happening over here. Okay, this is happening right now. And then we have wakeboarding. Oh, and look at our fliteboard learner is right here. Reppin' La Playa lifestyle.
What's up?
And he's going to be on the Hudson River riding one of these very shortly. We have Julie as photographer. Hey, Jewel. And here's our camera crew. Ready to go. Here we go. Hey. Getting a little BTS going on.
All right. So I'm going to hop in the water.
Okay.
Probably for only like 15 minutes or so, and then I'll be back.
Alrighty. So there is Rosemary's table. Hi, Ro. Hi, Rosie.
Terminology. Not just a pretty face, you know? With perfectly windblown hair.
Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful.
99, which is the next step up. The rest of the firm boards, they're smaller.
Like, no one wants to ride a powerboat that's as slow as a sailboat.
People want to go on a powerboat that's fast as hell.
Actually. I'm welcoming Mike into the movie now. This is really fun. I'm not complaining. The team. All right, yeah, having fun. Oh, this is crazy. Woo! So we've got someone who knows how to fly a drone. And this is how it's done. He's driving it, and he's catching it.
No, don't move the boat.
Check it out right here, NyackBoat.com. This is where we are today, filming. Very excited. All right, ready? And come on in.
So this is her.
So Tommy is finally going to get to try this fliteboarding thing that he's been talking about for a long time.
I'm pretty pumped.
And this
Randomly
is,
showed up at my doorstep.
this is really crazy. As usual, Tommy steps in it. Good luck, T.
Oh, thank you.
So what are you doing today?
Is this good depth of water? Right? A little bit.
Trying to.
I just have like a super long.
Still photos. See ya. How'd you get roped into this, Kenyatta?
Oh gosh, I have been a fan of the Nyack Boat Charter for a few years, and when Doug called, It's so funny because my husband and I were just talking about it the day before, and then he called, and I'm like, oh, it was meant to be.
Meant to be. Then they became talent, just like that. Whoa! And
So awesome.
This is fun.
Lower. So when you fall in, you hold your hand up.
Okay.
You can go up the river to the Hudson Highlands, which is incredibly beautiful. You can sail. There you go, Nyack Boat.
Nyack Boat.
That's it. They said that
Moved from the motorboat to this beautiful sailboat now, and it is spectacular. I'm just gonna say. Here he is. Here's the model. Here's our beer model.
just check out like.
This is what it's all about. Look at the sailboat. Wow.
I mean, it's not gonna do a ton, but I think you realize that there's 5 beds.
They really don't get along around here, do they? Straight in from Australia, coming to you live.
Yeah, let me give you a call. I'll be back.
All right, here we are on a beautiful sailboat on the Hudson. We're working together today, right? Yes. And it's been really fun, interesting, hot. A theme with me lately. Sweaty. We love to sweat, but look at this. Really?
We're on a boat and Tom's not here.
We're on a boat without Captain Tom.
What's the logic?
Oh, and do you have a TikTok?
I do not.
Oh, shoot, he doesn't have a TikTok.
No.
That smile says differently. You're thinking.
And go. Action. Oh, gosh, look at each other. That's so nice. Look at each other. Have a moment. You guys are so cute.
Wave in a tree.
It would have to be all the way.
Still going.
Oh, God.
I'll do it again. We'll have them do the same thing again. Woo!
And we have a relationship.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Nice. And kind of row it up.
I'm not gonna call it.
Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap, people.
Really? Yeah! Buffalo!